you get a good picture out there?
I liked the pool, but I didn't.
Pardon?
I didn't like the pool. It was too busy. There's a serious electricity shortage in Tremp. Don't tell anyone.
Hola.
Hola. Buenos días. No.
Ah, vale, pasa.
Voy a esa.
Vale.
Gracias. Hola.
¿Qué número
Buenos
de
días.
habitación tienen?
Dos personas. Número
309.
209. Vale, ¿qué querrán? ¿Café con leche? ¿Café solo?
café con leche para mí, por favor.
¿Café con leche?
También.
¿Dos?
Tell me all about Tremp, Andy, and tell me about this hotel. What do you think of it?
Tremp, Siglo 20, or 20th century hotel. Looks impressive from the outside. Underground parking's fine. Access to the hotel's okay. Upon arrival, we were shown to a very nice room, nice bathroom. Trouble was, it had a double bed in it. And as we're only mates, that's not really suitable. So having requested a change to a room with double beds, two single beds rather, we ended up in quite a small room with a small bathroom, badly laid out, and a bit of a throwback from, I don't know which century, but I don't think it's the 20th. But the bed was comfortable, if not spectacular. It's quite, what can I say? I wouldn't say dilapidated. I'd say it needs a fair amount of TLC to bring it up to scratch. It's got a lovely swimming pool here, which opens at 11 AM and closes at 7, I think. Tremp itself seems a little bit sleepy, although we didn't venture that far from the hotel last night because I didn't want to go for anything special to eat, just a bit of tapas. Found the place just round the corner, food was good. The best thing about Tremp, as far as I'm concerned at this point in time, although I have to say I don't really know the town, is the ride here. We came from Ainsa, Ainsa, and we followed TomTom on the windy routes, and it was absolutely spectacular, the scenery. One of the biggest vistas I've ever seen in depth and width we came across. We were just over 1,000 metres of elevation. Yeah, it was spectacular. Looking forward to some more of it. We're on our way to Vielha after this. That's north of here. Cut.
That's where we're heading next. I think all of this building and that building belong to the hotel. That terrace as well. That terrace as well belongs to this hotel, I think.
With the comms on. Jolly good. Comms, you haven't got your comms on yet, have you?
What?
Hey, hey?
Huh?
No.
What?
Pardon?
What?
What? Scaramanga.
Hey Carlo, call intercom.
Pardon?
Hello.
Oh, there he is.
I can hear now.
He has returned.
I know. You think I'm completely stupid, but trust me, when I put all this together, when I edit it all together, it'll make sense. Actually, when I give all this for you to edit together,
Okay.
you'll make.
Two shakes.
No worries. Take your time. No rush whatsoever.
Okay, I'm going for a swim then.
Oh come on, I'll come with you then. Leave the bikes here, yeah?
Yeah.
I got my swimming shorts on.
Tempting, isn't it?
Do you know what the bottles of water are for?
Bottles of water? Drinking?
Them.
I know what you're talking about while they're outside. Perhaps they use them as traffic cones, like to stop people parking there or whatever, for some reason or another. I'm not really sure though. Ready?
Yes, buddy.
Full.
Vamos. Busy old road, isn't it?
Yeah, all clear my way at the moment, mate.
I'm with you. Look to your right.
Crash? No.
Waterfall. See it?
Yeah. That's coming out of the dam, isn't it?
Yeah, it's coming out of the dam.
Hydroelectric. Hello.
Bloody hell.
There's the lake on your right there. The reservoir. Looks nice and blue, doesn't it?
How lovely it looks as well, yeah.
Yeah, look, that's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, fantastic. What a nice place to camp.
Yeah.
Wow.
Boating down there.
Wow.
You fancy a coffee?
Any time at all.
Okay, good man.
Any time at all you want.
So do I.
I'm happy to stop anytime, go anywhere. Even change direction if you want.
Yeah.
Sat nav will still tell us to go where we're going, don't it?
Yeah.
If you see a little flare below, you want to go and explore it, turn off and something up in the mountains maybe. So far, Ainsa has been the best.
Yep.
Without a doubt.
Yep. Nice hotel.
Nice town, nice hotel.
Nicely situated.
Yeah.
The backdrop's
Perfect.
nice. Nothing
I had
bad
the best-
about it.
Had the best time there so far.
Yeah. I think the excess heat's going to taint everything that we've had to put up with. Today, you think today's probably the coolest day we've had. And
Yeah, so
and it
far.
was still,
Yeah.
in Tremp it was 33 it was going to be.
Yep. Still 33 when we went to bed.
You noisy bugger. Let me awake the bed, you will.
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Big time. He's not with me. I'm going. Getting out of here.
Hope I can get a decent cappuccino here.
Oh,
Oh, wow, wow, wow. Nice swimming pool. Real nice campsite, all by the river.
turn right here.
You're going to take it, are you?
Because it
This will be interesting.
says come up here.
This is a real windy road. Have we got windy road settings
I
on?
don't know, you see it.
I
You see it.
didn't. You did it this morning.
At the end of this road, there's a sharp right up here. At the end of the road, turn left.
Okay, let's
Maybe
go
it's
with
just
it.
taking us back down the hill.
Yeah, it's taking us back down the hill. In the next town, I'm going to get the map out and check exactly where we are in relation
Yeah.
to where we're
Good
going.
idea.
In the meantime, enjoy the view.
We certainly got a view.
we are over here somewhere. Somehow we've got to get back over onto the 230. Oh, this place, not even on this map. It's too small. There it is, I got it. I got it. There you are. Okay, so we're in the right direction. We are on the 503. We're here. And we're going here. Okay, I'm going to plot a new route. I think the sat nav's having trouble. So I'm going to plot a route to that town there. Once we get to that town, we just go north. Okay, it says it's 28 miles to that town. And the adventure continues. Centro Hydroelectric. They're climbing.
Get the crampons out in a minute.
Sharp.
Thank you.
Whee! Sat nav says sharp bends all the way. A tunnel. Ooh, scary. That was a scary tunnel. Sat nav saying it's an unpaved road. For the moment, we are going all the way to the top of this mountain, dude. Not going all the way up then.
That's amazing, isn't it?
What I want is a swimming pool now.
It's fantastic.
Look at that, Andy.
Amazing, eh? Yep. In these poles, that's how deep the snow gets.
Yeah, of course. You wouldn't be able to see the bloody road otherwise, would you? I prefer it like this.
Yes, oh definitely. I didn't want to see pictures of it, but it's got snow on it like that.
Wow, I'm absolutely loving this road.
It's just wide enough to give you a bit of confidence as well, isn't it?
Yes. I'll tell you, I wouldn't mind camping down there for a few nights.
Contrasted scenery here, from one side of the valley to the other, behind you and in front of you, is amazing, isn't it?
Isn't it just?
That'd be cool up here at night, mate.
Do you want an ice cream?
We got one.
Yep.
fall short.